Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. Let me tell you, one of the most fun things about going away is coming back and having all kinds of stuff just waiting for you. So I did my Stampin' Up! Haul earlier, and now I'm doing my Arteza or Arteza, whatever you choose to call it, haul. And I think a lot of you guys are going to like this because they asked me what I'd be interested in, and I went off of what you guys wanted. So let's go ahead and see what we've got here. Alright, first things first, let me get this out of the way. This is for me because I use an eraser board to organize my hectic travel schedules and just daily life. So this is a chalkboard and cleaner set. It's brand new. All of these items are brand new, which I thought was really cool. And let me see here. Water-based, ammonia-free, low odor, and non-toxic, which is really great. So they're chalk markers, and they are they write off. They wipe off. So this is the chalkboard. For some reason, I thought it was a whiteboard. I wonder if whiteboard will work. I'll have to try that out. But regardless, that is very cool. And I will let I'll show you what else I got. All right, this is probably where most of you guys are wanting to see. This is heat transfer vinyl. You guys, they have vinyl for the Cricut or Silhouette, whatever you use, but they have vinyl, and this one is heat transfer. They're 10 by 12. Let me show you. So they're not a full 12 by 12 like some of the other sheets, but they're 10 by 12. So if you need them 12, you go this way, and if you need them longer, you can put it in 10 by 12. So it comes with 14 sheets. So let me show you. I got this one, which is just a straight white. I use white most often, but oh my goodness, I love it. And I love the flat sheets rather than, you know, the curly sheets where when you get them, they curl up. So I really love the flat sheets. And I've been using this one for a while. This one has 22 sheets, and this is also heat transfer. It has so many colors in there, but it's really cool. Look at that. So cool. So I've been using that one for a while. So when they came out with all of this new stuff, and you guys have been asking to see more of the Cricut, I decided, yes, let me try that. So what else do they have? Let's go. You guys, gold and silver. Look at that. 14 sheets of 10 by 12 gold and silver heat transfer vinyl. That means you can make your own shirts. You can make your own anything that you need to heat transfer can go on here. So super excited about that. Again, it is non-toxic. I also see that it's lead-free, and you get 14 sheets. And now, look at this. Look at that, glittery. Again, heat transfer vinyl. I love the glitter. If you have seen any of my shirts, they are always glittery. So I have my Beauty and the Stamper shirts that I make, my Stampin' Up! Shirts, and the Stamping Beauties can get shirts, and I always give them the glitter if they're interested. So if you are on my Stamping Beauties team through Stampin' Up!, you can get a shirt. You just need to let me know. Actually, you can get the vinyl, and then you just iron it on. So 16 sheets. Let's open it. Let's just open it, because I know what the other ones look like, but I do not know what these glitter ones look like. So let's see what we've got. Of course. I know. I should have had all this done beforehand. But, you know, I was just going to show you, and then I'm like, no, we got to look at this. Oh, yes. Oh, my goodness. Look at that. That is a black glitter. A silver glitter, which I use all the time. This is like a pink red glitter. We've got a gold glitter, green glitter. Oh, there's only, oh yeah, there's 2 gold glitter. It looks like there's only 1 green glitter. Purple glitter. Oh, we got 1 purple glitter. A blue. An orange. A light pink. A dark purple. Oh, a dark pink. And a light blue. You guys, I am going to go crazy with this. I am so excited. I don't know. I don't think I told you, but Denise and I made everybody shirts for Christmas this year. And holy smokes. Now, I'm going to tell you, these are flat, but they are curling up a little bit. So I think it's the glitter that makes them curl, because I know my other ones don't curl like that. So I'm going to put these back in there so that they lay flat. But how cool is that? So I'm going to go ahead and put my link in the description if you want to purchase anything from this Arteza brand. You guys, they give you a little bit of a discount, and they also give me a little bit of a commission. So that's really cool. That's nice. So how cool. I am so excited that they gave these to me. So if you want to get any of that, again, go into the description and my link will be there. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. And this isn't the last box. I was gone for a while, so I've got plenty of boxes. And you guys, I also went to my post office box today. You guys are so sweet. It was filled with Christmas cards and a gift box. So I cannot wait to see what all was in there. So I'm assuming they're Christmas cards. I know some of them were. And it was just awesome because I have been out of town for so long. But I'm back now. I'm feeling better. And hopefully we'll just start making some videos and being able to chit-chat more. All right, beauties. You guys have a wonderful day. I will talk to you later. And thank you so much for being a beauty. All right. Make sure you give it a like. And make sure you subscribe right down there if you're not already subscribed. Okay. Have a great day. Bye.